Hi, my name is Victoria Thomas. Um, I got this getaway. We went through Book VIP and they made all the reservations. They booked us at Westgate Resorts, which I hadn't never heard of that place. But so far, I am very, very, very pleased with it. The rooms are lovely. Um, it's a double bedroom. Like I said, let me see. I'm trying to see how to switch this around, but I can't figure it out. How to make it be reversed and not on me. So I'm gonna turn my camera around. Um, this is the room. When you come in, we came down the hallways. They are clean, excellent. That's the staff. And the staff here is great. They have really helped us since we came in last night. But the room, it is a lovely room. It's a nice size closet. We have our belongings put up, not on the floor anywhere. The bathrooms were clean when we came. Forgive us because we did stay one night, so we have gotten up taking our showers. But the bathroom was so clean. The room was nice. These beds, these are some soft beds. It's like home away from home. Yes, we bring our blankets when we come. But like I said, the beds are soft. That's my daughter, Ketori, over there in the mirror, getting ready because we're getting ready to go out. We really enjoyed this. I want to say thank you again to Book VIP for booking us this room at Westgate Resorts. I like everything. You know, we have our refrigerator. It was clean. The microwave is clean. We went out and bought us a few snacks for our stay here. And like I said, overall, I would give this a 5-star rating for this hotel. It is really, really nice. This resort is nice. And once again, I want to say thank you, Book VIP, for giving us a chance and an opportunity to come here.